Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Happy Memorial Day. May 24th was Asparagus Day. Yes, National Asparagus Day. If you are like me, you love asparagus. And some of us don't, and that's okay for our own reasons. But because it's Memorial Day and I want a quick and easy side, I have decided to use my National Asparagus Day recipe. This recipe is affordable, equitable, and wonderful. Why is it affordable? Because if you use in spring asparagus, it's cheaper. Our chickpeas that we're going to be using are also a readily available staple. It's budget friendly. So this is something that we should just get comfortable with, is using the products from our local economy so that we can continue to spread food equity. So let's get started. This is going to be a really easy video. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. No, I will read off the ingredients if you're following along on the blog. Super easy. You just need lemon zest and the juice of a lemon, 2 fresh garlic cloves, a bunch of asparagus, optional Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and chickpeas, and salt and pepper to taste. So it's super easy. We're gonna get started. It's gonna be fast because no reason for it to be any other way. So if we've started, you've preheated your oven to 425, which we have. We've rinsed our chickpeas. So I'm gonna put our chickpeas in a bowl. And then we have 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm gonna split that. I'm gonna do that. Pepper, and you use as much pepper as you like or as much as you don't. I like to use a little bit. And I'm gonna stir. And then the chickpeas go on one side of your baking sheet. Make sure they're not on top of each other. Everybody is got enough space to live. All right, with the same bowl, or you can do a separate, you're gonna put the asparagus inside. You're gonna use the remaining olive oil to toss. We add our 2 cloves of garlic. The lemon juice. And mix. You're just mixing, that's it. If you wanna use your hands, you can. All we have left is this. Remember our lemon zest? So we're just gently placing that on top of the asparagus. I'm gonna put a little salt. See how easy this is? Dash of Parmesan. Ooh, Parmesan never hurt nobody. And I also like to add parsley because it gives you that like sweet little flavor to balance out the lemon. Give it that springtime freshness. This is a wonderful springtime recipe. I want to point out we're 7 minutes in. That's it. Now we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to bake it at 425 for 20 minutes and it will be done. It's done. Looks very lovely. I'll do a close-up so you can see it, but you guys, see how easy that was? 7 minutes to prepare, 25 minutes to make, and you have a wonderful side that's healthy, budget-friendly, and nutritious. So from my kitchen to yours, happy Memorial Day and happy National Asparagus Day. Oh, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please feel free to go to my channel description and click on the links for all those wonderful cooking aids. If you've already done that, please feel free to purchase my cookbook, Good Time Gal Cookbook, or visit my blog, goodtimegal.com. That's THYME, like the ingredient. Thanks so much and happy cooking.